In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently organize and categorize your tasks within a project using the To-Dos tool. Whether you're managing a complex project or simply trying to keep your personal tasks in order, organizing your to-dos can greatly enhance productivity and clarity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific project you're working on. Once you're there, go ahead and open up the To-Dos tool. This is your central hub where you can manage all your tasks related to that project. Within this space, you have the ability to either choose an existing to-do list or create a new one depending on what best suits your needs. Think of this list as your main category under which all related tasks will fall. Now, to create a more organized structure within your to-do list, you can add a group header, which serves as a subsection for grouping related tasks together. This is especially useful for categorizing tasks by specific criteria such as phase, priority, or discipline. To create a group header, look for the hamburger menu to the left of your list's title. Clicking on this will present you with options, and from there, you'll want to select Add a Group. However, if you already have a series of tasks that you want to group together, there's a nifty shortcut. By holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac, you can select the hamburger menu next to each of the to-dos you wish to group. This multi-selection process allows you to bring together related tasks quickly. Once your group header is created, you have the flexibility to add new to-dos directly under this section or move existing tasks into this newly created group. To add a new task, simply click on the menu beside the group header and select Insert a To-Do. This will place the new task within your designated subsection, maintaining a clear and logical order. Alternatively, if you have existing to-dos that you want to incorporate into this group, it's as simple as dragging the task into the grouped section. As soon as you do this, the task becomes part of the subsection, seamlessly integrating into your organized workflow. Finally, now that your to-dos are neatly grouped, you'll find that navigating through your list is smoother and more intuitive. The group headers act like mini subcategories, providing structure and clarity by visually breaking up your tasks based on your chosen criteria. This organized approach not only saves you time, but also helps in staying focused on what truly matters. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to organize your tasks effectively. By mastering the To-Dos tool, you're well on your way to transforming chaos into order. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.